Yes, we have to think big. We have to think about owning and building skyscrapers, airplanes, company. There was an airline that was black owned not too long ago called Atlanta Airlines, but unfortunately it folded. And before that, there was black people owning an airline when there was only propeller airplanes in the 1930s. But with the jet airlines, there was one company that I know of. There may be other companies now that are charter companies, but the airline called Atlanta Air. So we have to think big about world domination, the big money. As black people go to Africa, we will automatically be the top echelon financially. Not that we want to, but the only ones that could afford to go to Africa that are black will be those with money or a vision, or maybe the foolhardy. But the foolhardy will soon come back. So we will be automatically the top echelon. When the World Bank said that 43% of the world poor consists of India, Nigeria, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And over 50% of the world poor is in Africa, especially sub-Saharan Africa. And that's a shame. It is a shame. And you figure that in America there's 6 billionaires, and we only have about 40 million uh, black people, or let's say about 40, between 40 and 47, or even say 40 and 50 million. And there's only 6 black billionaires out of a total of 611. If everything was being equal, there should be about 90 black billionaires. And look at Africa. They have over 1 million people in sub-Saharan Africa, 200 million in Nigeria, and there's 4 billionaires in Nigeria, one in South Africa, one in Zimbabwe, out of 1 billion people. And not counting Santos from Angola, because she's mixed, and Chin from Jamaica, who now live in Canada, or a person of Arab Sudanese descent. But the fruity black people, we are underrepresented. So we have to think big. Skyscrapers, domination, big, expensive buildings. If you don't like skyscrapers, expensive manufacturing firms, expensive warehouses, car manufacturing. We as males, it's up to us as males, we have to do that.